Hi students, in this video I will explain how to do divisions in case of fractions. Okay, for that we are going to discuss exercise 2.4. The exercise 2.4, all the questions are on divisions only. Okay, let us do one by one. First one, 9 divided by 1 by 4. 9 divided by 1 by 4. 9 divided by 1 by 4 means how to write this? 9 divided by 1 by 4. If you write like this, you will get some confusion or not. Okay, to avoid this confusion, you can write like this also. 9 into 4 by 1. Just the reciprocal 1 by 4 I converted into 4 by 1. Why? Because I converted division onto a multiplication. Understand, if it is a division, you can convert this into in the form of multiplication by reversing the number. The numerator will become denominator, denominator will become the numerator. Now you can easily write the answer or not. 4 nines are 36. 36 by 1 means just 36. That is the answer. Understand how to write, how to do division? You just have to reverse the number and apply the multiplication to the number. Okay. B. 18 divided by 2 by 3. 18 divided by 2 by 3 means 18 into 3 by 2. 2 by 3 means you have to turn it into a 3 by 2. So 2 nines are 18, no? 3 nines are 27. That is the answer. Next, I'll explain E. 1 divided by 11 1 by 9. First convert this. 11 1 by 9 is equals to 11 nines are 99. 99 plus 1, 100 by 9. 100 by 9. 1 divided by 100 by 9. That equals to 1 into 9 by 100. So the answer is 9 by 9 ones are 9, no? So the answer is 9 by 100. Simple, no? Like that you have to do remaining. Now let us move to the second question. In the second question, what they asked, find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Reciprocal means by which number we divide, we will get the same answer. We will get the answer as 1. A. 9 by 16. What's the reciprocal of 9 by 16? 16 by 9. Why? 9 by 16 into 16 by 9. 9 9 cancel, 16 16 cancel. You get 1 or not. Okay? Like that you have to write the reciprocal for each and everything. 34 divided by 37. What's the reciprocal of this? 37 by 34. What's the reciprocal of 1 by 100? 100. What's the reciprocal of 19? 1 by 19. Understand? Please write each and every one, okay, in the max CW itself. Now, let us move to the third question. A. 1 by 3 divided by 9. Same like first question only. 1 by 3 divided by 9. 1 by 3 divided by 9. It means 3 into 9. 3 nines are 27. Next, B. Okay, I'll tell C now. C. 11 by 7 divided by 22. Sorry dear, sorry. This is 1 by 3 divided by 9, no? So what you have to do? 1 by 3 into 1 by 9, right? So 1 by 27. Division convert into multiplication means you have to take 9 as 1 by 9. Sorry, it's my mistake. Now C. 11 by 7 divided by 22 means 11 by 7 into 1 divided by 22. 11 ones, 11 twos. 7 twos are 14. 1 by 14 is the answer. Okay. Like that you have to do B, D, E and F. Now, it's a fraction divided by fraction. Fourth one. Fraction divided by a fraction. Same process. 8 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 means 8 by 9 into 3. 3 ones, 3 threes. Answer is 8 by 3. This is improper fraction. So, convert it into a proper fraction. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay. Next. B. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. Answer is 2. Next. C. 7 by 11 divided by 35 by 22. 7 by 11 into 22 by 35. 11 ones, 11 twos. 7 ones, 7 fives. So the answer is 2 by 5. Okay. Answer is 2 by 5. Understand now? Same way do the remaining all questions also. Okay. Now let us move to the fifth one. Find out which one is bigger. They are asking us to calculate which one is bigger. Here also I will tell only one. The B problem you have to do your by own. Okay. Fifth one A. 1 by 2 into 4 1 by 7 or 7 1 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 2. First, let us convert all these numbers into a proper fractions. Fractions, okay. 4 1 by 7. What's the value of these? 7 4s are 28. 29 by 7. Next, 7 1 by 2. 7 2s are 14. 15 by 2. 3 1 by 2 means 7 by 2. First one, 1 by 2 into 4 1 by 7, that equals to 1 by 2 into 29 by 7. So it is 29 by 14. 29 by 14. Second one is 7 1 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 2. Okay. So 15 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. It means 15 by 2 into 2 by 7. This division I converted into a multiplication. So we have to reverse the number. 2 cancel. Answer is 15 by 7. Now we have to check which one is greater. Which number is bigger. So what we have to do that 29 by 14, 15 by 7. We have to make the denominators the same. For that I am going to multiply 15 by 7 with 2. 15 by 7 into 2 by 2. It means 30 by 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. First number is 29 by 14. The second answer is 30 by 14. Which one is greater? This one is the greater. So 29 by 14 is less than 30 by 14. So this is a bigger one, no? So write the final statement. 7 1 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 2 is a bigger number. Understand? By this exercise is also finished. In the next video, I'll explain exercise 2.5. Bye for now.